Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making black bean and sweet potato recipe, a simple recipe for dinner. Let's get to the video. I'm going to start by preparing my beans as shown in the video. I'm just going to be removing the bad beans, the rotten beans, and stones. I'll leave you to watch that for a while and I'll be right back. I'm now going to wash my beans with some clean water as shown in the video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a healthy recipe for acid reflux, heartburn and ulcer and GERD. I came up with a playlist in my channel where I share with you guys simple recipes that I make my husband for acid reflux. Go check it out if you are struggling with one of these conditions. I hope it helps. I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing for a while and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. After washing my beans, I'm now going to add them to a pot. I'm then going to add some water to the pot as shown in the video, and then I'm going to cover my beans and soak them overnight. The next day, I'm just preparing my charcoal stove. I always boil my beans in a charcoal stove. So I'm just going to prepare my stove as shown in the video, and then I'm going to add some charcoal on it as shown in the video, and then I'm going to use some paraffin to light my charcoal stove as shown in the video. I'll leave you to watch that for a while and I'll be right back. So guys, it takes a little while for a charcoal stove to fully light. So as you can see, I'm holding a pot of our soaked beans that we prepared the other day. So all I'm going to do is to add it to our charcoal stove, to add our pot, to our charcoal stove as shown in the video. And then I'm going to add some water as shown in the video. So guys, the pot that I used to soak our beans was a little small, so I'm just going to use another pot as shown in the video. I'm going to transfer our beans to a larger pot, and then I'm going to add just water to it, to add more water to it as shown in the video. And then all I'm going to do is to cover our beans and cook them until they are tender. So I'll leave you to watch that for a while and I'll be right back. So guys, moving on, I already peeled my sweet potatoes. So all I'm going to do is to chop them to tiny bits as shown in the video. I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing and I'll be right back. So guys, after chopping all my sweet potatoes well, I'm now going to wash them with some clean water really well as shown in the video. After I'm done washing my sweet potatoes, I'm now going to add them to a pot, and then I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it to taste to my sweet potatoes. I'll also add some water as shown in the video, and then I'm going to use a polythene. You can use aluminium foil to cover your sweet potatoes too. And then I'm going to cover my sweet potatoes well. So guys, if you have an oven, you can also bake your sweet potatoes, but with me, I'm just going to boil my sweet potatoes. Moving on, I'm now going to check on our beans. So as for now, I think our beans are now ready. Our beans are now tender, as you can see. So I'm just going to show you closely how our beans look. As you can see, I'm using my hand to break the beans. That means our beans are fully cooked. So guys, I'm just going to set that aside. Moving on, I'm now going to add more charcoal to my stove as shown in the video. So I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing for a little while, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back after adding more charcoal to my stove. So all I'm going to do is to add my sweet potato pot, and then after a while, as you can see, our sweet potatoes are already boiled. So all I'm going to do is to set our sweet potatoes aside. Moving on, I'm now going to add my oil to a preheated pan. I'm just using regular cooking oil. I'm then going to add one medium-sized chopped carrot. I'll then fry my carrots for a while as shown in the video. I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing, and I'll be right back. So guys, after frying my carrots for a while, I'm now going to add our cooked beans as shown in the video, and then I'm going to mix them well together with the carrots as shown in the video. So guys, I know you're wondering why I'm not using onions or tomatoes. I'm not going to be using onions or tomatoes in this recipe. That's because onions and tomatoes are not recommended, and if you can't avoid using them, if you can't stop using them, I'd recommend you use them in really small quantity. So guys, I'm just going to add some salt to my beans. I'm then going to add our sweet potatoes, and then I'm going to mix them well. I'm also going to add some fresh chopped coriander as shown in the video, and then I'm going to mix my beans together with the sweet potatoes well as shown in the video. So guys, I'm sorry I'm not so good at explaining things, but I hope you can understand what I'm saying and what I'm doing. So I'll leave you to watch that for a while, and I'll be right back. So guys, after mixing my beans together with the carrot and sweet potatoes well, I'm now going to add some water so that my beans don't burn, my beans and sweet potatoes don't burn. And then I'm going to cover my pan for a little while so that my sweet potatoes and beans absorb the coriander and oil really well. mention in the video. I'll let my sweet potatoes and beans pot, cook for a while. So guys, after a while, as you can see, our sweet potatoes and beans pot is now ready, and it looks really good, you guys. So I'd recommend you try this recipe. It was really tasty and delicious. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. It's an healthy recipe. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.